What's up, guys? Got an interesting one today. Libero Financial. Pretty much everybody who is into auto rebase protocols knows exactly what these guys are. They're one of the biggest protocols that's managed to launch as of yet. Um, Probably just behind Titano. Now they were kind of like the second big project. They were the first big fork of Titano, and they were a huge success. Go over to the chart, you can see started down here at 5 million market cap, went all the way up to like nearly 150, and they've came down since and came back up. Now, the beauty of these protocols and of the compounding interest that you get is that the guys that held here saw the investment come all the way down, and then on the way back up the second time, even though this high here was a lower high compared to this first one, considering the time period was, as you can see, it was 16th of February there, and then it was the 19th of March in this one, so over a month. So considering it was like over 30 days, the people here would have had like 60 to 70% more tokens than they had here, so they have more money here than they would have had at this peak, which just shows the power of these protocols over time, really. And also the sustainability, that was something that was questioned a lot with these projects. Can they be sustainable over a long period of time? But we can now see from looking at projects like especially Titano, which is heading right back to an all-time high after 5 months, and Libero still doing very well after launching back in January. Kind of shows just how strong these projects are. So yeah, these guys are now launching on the Phantom network. They're going to have a launch on there. It's going to be very soon. It's going to be in a couple of days. It's going to be on the 25th of March. So to be able to get in, they've just given away 400 whitelist spots. As far as I'm aware, checking out the social medias, that's all I can see so far is that they're just giving out these 400 whitelist spots in a Gleam competition. So you've got to go in, fill in this form, and for a chance to win a spot on the 25th of March. Now, these guys aren't going to launch from scratch. They're saying that the price is going to launch exactly the same as the price currently is on the BSC. So I'm not sure exactly 100% how that's going to work in terms of the price that these guys are going to buy in at, the 400 whitelist spots, and then what happens then from then on, in terms of market caps and that kind of stuff. There hasn't been a whole lot of information apart from what there is here. But yeah, but considering, the success of Libero and how well they've done over the last few months, I can see this still being a good investment opportunity. Obviously, you have the very innovative compared to a lot of the other protocols anyway. They offer the Libero banks, so they offer staking. If you want to lock your tokens up for a certain amount of time, then you can get extra money, earn USDC, 7% from transaction volumes. And so yeah, they've just got these extra features that the other protocols haven't got, and proved to be one of the reasons why they were so successful, and a lot of people made a lot of money. So yeah, anyway, I just wanted to make you guys aware of this, that Libero are moving over to Phantom, and well, not moving over there, but they're branching out and also launching on Phantom. I wanted to make you guys aware of it and show you guys that they are giving away whitelist spots, but there's only 400 of them. So I'll put all the links in the description of the video below to the Gleam competition, to the social medias, and you can check it out and find some more information. And so yeah, so that's pretty much it today, guys. So thanks for listening. Until next time, bye.